Are you gonna crawl? Get your toy. You did it! You moved your leg forward. Good job. Oh, and backward. Come here. Come get your toy. Where is it? Come get it. Oh my God. You crawled. You crawled. You did it. Yay. Congratulations. It is February 11th. You are 8 months old. 2 weeks. 8 months and 2 weeks old. And you are officially a crawler. I love you, buddy.